So we're having a Nerf war today. There are 4 people playing. My friend Jer, my cousin, my brother. I can't find my sister. My sister's on the porch. And I made a makeshift gun mount, so we're gonna get started. So everybody get to their spots.
Yep.
I'm gonna do the countdown now. You ready?
I'm not on your team, I'm just
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
I'm gonna try to keep you where I'm looking most of the time. Oh, I just saw Brian. Yeah, I'm on his team, Jared. Isaac. Where are they? He's over there. I can see him through the boards. Attack! I missed almost every shot. Ah! I've been hit in the arm. Oh, I can still use it. It has to take 2 shots to die.
Hey guys, we got the drum mic here, and it's out of batteries. Perfect.
Oh my god. I'm not dead. We're basically doing like a Fortnite style thing.
Yeah, we're having this battle royale kind of.
Like you
Me and
crawl
Luke
and
are
stuff,
teaming.
and you almost just knocked off my makeshift thing, Jer.
I'm so sorry.
Careful. I'm gonna go see if I can find some more bullets. Kyle, shut up! Nobody liked you. Nobody does like you, for real. Like we would all rather just play without him. Oh, Gracie's leg is gone. My sister. Oh no. Oh no, I said the nerd word. She has the big huge mega gun. She's closing in on me. Oh no, what should I do? Yeah, I'm on your team. She can only crawl. It's not going to be very easy to see everything because I'm running. But it'll be good enough. 1 second. Oh, there we go. Gracie, are you dead yet? Oh, I've been hit in the hip. She's dead. How about that? Headshot! Now I have to get it go against Jer. Oh, he has it?
Isaac's right.
Where is he? He didn't even notice me. I'm barefoot on rocks right now. Okay. And ow! I just hit my ankle. Barefoot on rocks again. I think I see him through this door. Here he is. Let's go. Here's a pump action out here. Have a nice. Jer! What do you mean I'm trying? I can do this any day. Ah! What do you mean? Oh, you have my camera! No, I didn't! my goodness. Oh, I just stepped on a sharp rock. I need one more mega. Here it is. Let's go, Jer.
That's the only team there is, and if we get you, then you're dead.
Let's go.
And we win.
Let's go. Hide behind the car right now.
Okay?
Me and Luke are the only team for the trash.
No, we're not. You're on the bomb. I'm gonna be the new Chris Kyle. Dirtbon. Oh crap! He has a new map. Oh, I hit him in the leg. Yep. Brian, your leg is wounded. Oh, ball shot. Oh!
Defeat has ridden me.
I have one.
Defeat has
Hey,
ridden me.
Jer, stop shooting me.
Yeah, Team Jer wins.
Only 3 bullets to kill him? Let's go. Whew. Picking up all the bullets.
Okay, guys, we're going to
This is really cool how I made this mount. I don't know how to pause it. How do you pause it, Jer?